Hello guys, welcome back. This is Tech Boy Sai Kiran. Welcome back to another video, guys. So today in this video we are going to see a major, I mean, a very interesting thing. I hope you guys are shocked. And the thing is, many of you know the Chrome Dinosaur game, and today in this video I'll show you how can you master in that game and earn a lot of points in it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before starting, new viewers, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get all the notifications, and hit the blue color like button, guys. A single like motivates me a lot to make such videos, and I'm here to help you guys. So before starting, you simply open your Chrome browser, and in the browser, of course, this dinosaur game also works if you are having internet also. I already connected to my internet, so in order to work with it, just type chrome://dino. That's it, and you'll hit this page. Whatever, if you have internet also, you can connect to this page very easily, and once you press enter, the game will start. Look, okay, let me show you the demo, and look, so you guys will face this type, and if you are a pro player, you can earn a lot of points, but the people like me, I'm a noob guy. The people like me will face such problems, and being a developer, being a programmers, and we know the coding knowledge, right? We know the programming knowledge, so I hope you guys will really try it. So to make it run automatically, just right click and inspect on this game page. When you click on inspect, this page will open in the bottom or in the right side. Just click on console, and here you need to write a single line of code, guys. A single line of code will really help you to master this game, and we just want to change the running. I mean, we only want to run, we no need to jump, and the obstacles will be automatically skipped by using this line of code. And type runner dot, we need to change the instance of it, right? Okay, just type instance underscore dot, and here you just need to mention game over loop. Game over is a function which is by defaultly mentioned by Google, and but we need not to write anything in it, we just want to keep it empty. So in order to keep it empty, and we only need to use empty parenthesis. As we learned in Java, we only need to just mention empty parenthesis and space again, and here we need to type arrow mark, one is equal to symbol and one greater than symbol, and at the end with the flower braces. That's it, guys, and this is a single line of code which will really work. And just press enter, and that's it, guys, it will really work. Just minimize or close it, and try to play this game, it will really work. Let me show you in this. Look, wow, this is really awesome, right? So you can do this for very long time without jumping and without escaping the obstacles. You can simply run, and that's it. Okay, so this is the thing I just want to share with you guys. So before going, new viewers, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and one like button will motivate me a lot to make such videos. I hope you will love this. Take care, bye bye.